Hello guys, welcome back to Pro Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to remove age restrictions on YouTube. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to open your YouTube, and once after opening your YouTube you have to click at the top. As you have to click at the top. Now from here you have to click on settings. Now from here you have to click on general. At the top there is general, and you have to scroll down a little bit, and as you can see that the restriction mode is enabled. What you have to do is just have to turn this off. So once after turning this off, the issue regarding remove age restrictions on your YouTube will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.